in the streets, on the news, everybody got food, bang, bang, shot, dead, everybody gone, and all I wanna say is that they don't really